What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. We are at the track once again with the buggy. This buggy's running real good. I'm thinking we're gonna have to do the gearing because it starts to rev out at 35 miles an hour. We want to get this thing, on a soccer field or something, do some high-speed passes with that. Hopefully it'll beat the LST. The LST's geared at 35, I believe, also, but from the last video, I feel like it was going a lot faster than 35, maybe 40. Yeah, we gotta get GPS on the LST, check that out. Anyway, guys, let's fire this thing up, see how it does. Here we go. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. I think I'm a 454 master. I can get these things to idle like crazy. Nah, I'm kidding. I'm still learning. But thank you so much for watching. Really means a lot that you tuned into the channel. All right, everybody. Thank you so much for watching the video. Buggy is running great. And I gotta say, I'm super impressed with the Spectrum stuff right here. Very high tech for being a little bit old. Really nice. Temp gauge, battery. You got your speed. This thing is really sweet. Also got my stickers on there. Looks cool.